This program is brought to you by RuRu Mushrooms. Freshness guaranteed.
Buenos días, Ciudad de Zamboanga, Basilan, Sulu, Itawi-Tawi, ina entero parte del Pilipinas, and to the world. It's going to be a special episode as we bring you the What's In this 2022. Principiando con el mga sabroso comida que puede ustedes probar. Descubri kita con el AntiEns, home of authentic Muslim cuisine.
Mucho ka naton ta desea explora mga restaurante na syudad con un deseo na pensamiento. El proba mga comida que sakto na dito yung preferensya con vibrante ambiente. Como cosa ta ofrece aquí na AntiEns Restaurant.
Lumaki po ako with food very rooted po sa tradition. Yung lola ko po, siya po yung tagaluto sa amin sa bahay. And yung food po na isa-serve po namin sa inyo today, it's something na araw-araw na po namin nakakain. And the recipes po, nanggaling po from my grandmother, which nakuha niya po sa mother niya, which nakuha po sa mother niya. Bali, it's a generational thing po.
Well, they have native stuff. It reminds you of cultures and down-to-earth tastes. It's not like a mix of artificial things. And this coffee is native. I think it's from Holo. It tastes excellent. I drink it with no sugar so I can taste all the flavors. And I eat the sugars outside in this beautiful cake. Paulo? Is it called? Baulo. It's like pound cake. Very, very delicious.
Y ahora ay prueba kita se llama Bang Bang or traditional or merienda snacks del Magatang soup. Y prueba kita, no? Ang sarap. This is very delicious. Can you tell us or describe more, sir, kung ano ba itong special recipes or best sellers ninyo dito sa AntiEns?
One of our best sellers po is our tula itul, which is a very famous na dish dito sa Zamboanga City. Saan-saan ka pupunta na may tausog food or may Muslim food, meron silang tula itul. Pero each restaurant, iba-iba.
Correct.
Parang lahat ng mga tao may sarili silang timpla ng kanilang tula itul. And I'm proud to say na yung tula itul po namin is very unique sa amin. Isa sa mga specialties po namin is yung aming tianggang, which is again staple sa Zamboanga City. And each place iba-iba, diba? Pero sa amin unique din. At the same time, meron din po kaming original dish po from me and my mother, which is our ayam bakar, which is Indonesian barbecue, Indonesian-inspired barbecue.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang pala Tausug community ang nag-influence sa pag-come up ng mga recipes?
Yes po. Bali po sir, base po sa tagline namin, home of authentic Muslim cuisine. We say Muslim because ayaw po namin maging stuck sa isang culture. Kasi Muslim cuisine is very broad. There's Malaysian, there's Singapore, there's Indonesia. Maraming iba-ibang forms of Muslim cuisine, and yun yung gusto po namin ipupush at ipapakilala sa mga tao dito sa Zamboanga City.
May ano siya, sa end siya yung may sipa talaga siya. When you try this one or any other food po from AntiEns po, may sipa talaga yung anghang niya. So again, like Mino, mahilig din sa mga anghang, then balance po, no? At saka mafe-feel mo talaga, hindi lang basta-basta they just offering food here, but mafe-feel nyo talaga yung welcoming, no? It means po na yung parang na gusto mo talaga, sige, try ko to. Pero ang masasabi ko talaga, the best talaga. mafe-feel mo din yung ano nila, yung hindi lang basta nagluluto, but yung love, no? How they make this, especially to us, no? Customers here. So, ang sabi kita makaulbidagay ko sa tukere abla.
I can't say anything. It's too good. It's very nice.
Ahora ipruba kita este special recipe o bestseller akin na AntiEns. Tala makita kita Yubenco's kagang. Alright, this is a special crab recipe. Pruba kita kay tabas la bien sabroso do gayon. So you can eat in this manner. Wow. Sabroso. Ahora ay pruba tamen kita este special dessert. Tala makita con este hinti. So this is a shredded coconut. Yakusi con este con da azúcar colorado. So pruba kita el sabor de este clase de recipe. Bien maravilloso el sabor. You cannot explain. El dulzura sakto lang. Kabar el sabor del coco bien sakto también, tan blend gadile. Ken ba el pensa kay shredded coconut with sugar ta pwede gani as un dessert. Sabi lang kita po may mga leche plan and other dessert. Ese ganita pwede kita as this is very natural. El manera bien inteligente el ya crea con esta clase de recipe. Alam kita con este sambal. A very special recipe also we will taste. Bien sabroso. Ndo akale toko meto bagon gata pero chinile cargado de tomates and other secreto recipe que siguro tamandala contigo come pa. Ahora po ba kita este bestseller también para makita ayam bakar, so na English pa grilled chicken.
This one?
No.
It's
Is piasa, sir. It's
Barbecue flavor pero bien authentico al sabor.
In general, I like the foods a lot. They're a little spicy, but not too spicy. They're attractive and different from anything I've tried. I think you need the courage to come and try this place because it's going to offer you an experience of a different level. If you like ethnic foods, things that are different from what you eat ordinarily every day, you should try something like this. I'm sure you'll find something that you like and you'll come back for. I highly recommend trying this place. I'm not going to say come eat here, try it once and judge for yourself. It's a good place, especially in Zamboanga when you don't have a lot of choices.
Durante el reciente Virtual Food Fest Competition del Turismo Local de Zamboanga, ya queda campeón el AntiEns Restaurant bajo na kategorya Muslim Cuisine.
It was a very surreal feeling po. Parang hindi po ako makapaniwala. Kasi, of course, I'm not... all of the other contestants had very good food. I can say for myself that the food was very good kasi po natikman po namin. Nag-share po kami after. So, talagang masarap na masarap yung food nila at maganda din po yung presentation nila. So, and very thankful po ako na kami ang nanalo. It made me feel proud of my culture and the recipes na binigay po sa amin ng family ko.
So something new, something special na talagang aabangan ng ating mga viewers. And kung mahilig sila sa mga different varieties of recipes, pwede silang pumunta dito sa AntiEns and enjoy the different dishes. Aside from that, sir, may nakita ko mga iba't ibang mga products dito sa AntiEns.
Yes.
Can you tell us something about it?
Mga products po namin, sir, it started out sa mga traditional na kausog product na biscuits na kadalasan, usually nakikita nyo lang po during special occasions like weddings or ceremonies.
Okay.
Usually, dun ka lang makakakain ng ganun. So I thought, why not make it special? Dalhin sa bahay ninyo. So, we devised a way for us to mass manufacture yung mga products para anyone, whether Muslim man, Catholic, or Chinese, pwede silang pumasok, kukuha na lang sila at umuwi. And they could have that experience at home.
Wow, de veras que bien sulit el dining experience aquí na AntiEns, home of authentic Muslim cuisine. Mas pa, si puede ustedes probar este RuRu Mushroom chips of different flavors.
Personally, sir, I've been a fan of RuRu Mushroom before they became big, so to speak. Bale, nakasama ko po sila sa DPO, and doon ko po first na try yung product nila. And I was very impressed to see how they made a healthy substitute to a junk food product.
Alright. So, if you happen to taste RuRu Mushroom chips, napakasarap niya. Hindi mo masasabi na, oy, mushrooms pala ito, pero yung flavor niya para siyang biscuits na parang cookies na hindi mo maintindihan na parang something special. Mucho valuable sustancia el ta puede obtener na comida de mushrooms, como el vitamin D, antioxidants, y anti-cancer properties.
First time ko talaga i-try ang RuRu Mushroom.
What is the texture? Look, this is really mushroom. Hindi lang akal ben grande kayot. This is a typical one. Akal dol amo palang kita grande. So, when you touch it, it's not soft. This is hard and
Crispy.
What can you say?
Super. Sarap. Speechless ako dito. Kaya sa mga viewers natin, sa mga YouTubers, sa mga followers, nako, tamang-tama pa sa mga kids din, no? Even sa mga yung mga busy sa work, instead sa mga unwanted mga junk foods, nako, RuRu na kayo.
This is not an ordinary junk food. This is a junk food that has many nutrients. Ideal for those who are health conscious.
Lalo na sa mga pwede dito sa mga tao na may mga diabetes, di ba kasi meron din yun na nga health conscious din. Like yung sa mga iba din dyan, instead bibili kayo ng mga junk food na unwanted sa katawan natin. So why not try talaga itong RuRu Mushroom?
And at the same time, very affordable with siya.
Check.
So you can just buy it anywhere. And first stop, our mushroom journey, aquí na AntiEns, pwede ito ustedes visita and enjoy. You can have this como un regalo. Si quiere ustedes regala con ustedes ba familia, loved ones, or si quiere ustedes visita na otro lugar, manbaon niya RuRu Mushroom chips.
Sa mga nagka-travel din, tamang-tama.
Yes, perfect for traveling.
Camping, kahit saan. Dala-dala yung RuRu Mushroom.
Correct, perfect.
Sarap.
Si quiere también ustedes probar si fresco mushrooms, ay puede también ustedes visita el RuRu Mushroom Farm local na F. Locson Drive, Lumia, Barangay Divisoria.
Muchas gracias con el AntiEns, home of authentic Muslim cuisine, y con el RuRu Mushrooms, mga comida que te simboliza buenas na vida. Puede ustedes visitar con el AntiEns y siempre probar mga produkto del RuRu Mushrooms aquí na Yubenco, Tetuan, Zamboanga City. Please don't forget to subscribe Just Anything on YouTube and of course follow us on Facebook also, Just Anything. Please like, comment, and share. Muchas gracias a todos. Este si Efren Mamak. Tabla. Stay blessed.
That program is brought to you by RuRu Mushrooms, freshness guaranteed.